Are your legs losing the strength you once took for granted? Maybe you've noticed it's a bit harder to get out of the car, or you find yourself reaching for the railing more often when climbing stairs. If that sounds familiar, you aren't just getting old. Your muscles are simply entering a state of hibernation. Hi, I'm Dr. Virexa. Welcome to Healthy Web Hub, where health meets clarity. And today, we're going to wake them up. But before we start, I want you to join me in a 10-second test that predicts your long-term mobility. Find a sturdy chair. Sit down, cross your arms over your chest so you can't use your hands, and try to stand up. If you struggled, or if you had to rock your body forward with a lot of momentum, your leg power is in the red zone. But don't worry, that is exactly why we are here today. We never start a cold engine, and we don't start cold muscles. We need to lubricate the joints first. Knee circles. Place your hands just above your knees. Gently rotate them in small circles. What we're doing here is stimulating the synovial fluid. Think of this as the WD-40 for your joints. It reduces friction and makes the actual workout pain-free. Phase 2. Lying ankle pumps. If you suffer from cold feet or swelling, this is your best friend. Point your toes away from you, then flex them back toward your shins. This acts as a muscle pump for your veins, pushing blood back up to your heart. Do 20 of these to get the oxygen flowing. Exercise 1. The seated calf pump. Let's start with our second heart, the calves. Lift your heels as high as you can while keeping your toes on the floor. Now, here is the secret. Lean forward slightly and put your hands on your knees to add a little bit of natural weight. You'll feel a burn in the back of your lower leg. This muscle is vital for balance. If your calves are weak, your brain can't tell where your feet are in space, which leads to stumbles. Life-saving tips for leg cramps. Quick sidebar. If you get those agonizing cramps at night, it's usually a sign of two things: dehydration or a lack of magnesium. Before bed, try a gentle calf stretch against a wall. It can be a total game changer for your sleep quality. Now we move to the powerhouse. Your glutes and hamstrings are the biggest muscles in your body. If they stay strong, you stay independent. Exercise 2. Wall hip hinge. Keep your back straight and simply push your hips back until your butt touches the wall. Do not sit down. This hinge movement is how you should be picking up groceries or laundry. It protects your lower back by forcing your hips to do the heavy lifting. Exercise 3. Wall marching. Marching isn't just for cardio. By bringing your knee up high, you're engaging your psoas, or hip flexors. These are the muscles that lift your feet over rugs and curbs. If you don't train these, you start to shuffle, and shuffling is a major fall risk. Exercise 4. Standing hamstring curls. Stand tall, hold the back of your chair, and kick your heel toward your glutes. Keep your knees aligned. This strengthens the back of the leg, which acts as a shock absorber for your knee joints. If you have bone-on-bone knee pain, strengthening the hamstrings is often the first step to relief. Exercise 5. March with a knee clap. This is the brain-body connector. By clapping under your leg, you're forcing your core to stabilize, while your brain handles a multitasking movement. This builds functional strength, the kind of strength you use in the real world when life is unpredictable. You can do these exercises all day, but if you don't have the building blocks, your muscles won't grow. Let's talk about the 30% solution. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein. This is called anabolic resistance. To fight this, 30% of your daily calories must come from high-quality protein. Whether it's lean chicken, Greek yogurt, eggs, or a clean whey supplement, you need it to repair the micro tears we just created in this workout. Don't just eat one big steak at night. Your body can only absorb about 25 to 30 grams at a time. Spread that 30% across breakfast, lunch, and dinner to keep your muscle-building engine running all day long. Start by doing this routine 3 times a week. You don't need a gym, you just need a wall, a chair, and the will to stay mobile. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. It helps this video reach other seniors who might be struggling with their mobility. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-based aging tips. I'm Dr. Virexa. Stay strong, stay mobile, and I'll see you in the next video.